I learned the law by breaking it. They usually throw the book at me in court. Be this a jail or a junk shop. Pirates hate empty bottles. Never! Shouldn't look so much. She'll get the wrong idea.
May I help you?
No, just, looking around. You look more medium-sized to me. Why Big D?
Captain McCruskey got tired of mixing me up with all the other D's on board, and on account of not having a peg leg, I'm a bit taller than the others.
I get teased about being big.
It still keeps me up at night. Speaking of which, did you know that bedbugs are the #2 cause of sleep deprivation in the pirate community?
Really? What's number 1?
Drunken revelry.
Are the Azizas here yet?
Party of 3? They be in the Swashbuckler suite. The lasses racked up a fortune of snacks from the minibar, but I assured them you're good for it. They couldn't stop talking about your unorthodox mode of cannon travel, though.
Aye, it was a 1 in a million shot. Your swaying's got me green in the gills. I be off.
Thanks.
This is gonna draw in the ladies, right?
There's a jaguar in the bushes.
Yeah, we keep thinking it'll come out for some roast. Whatever it is we're roasting. I must be hungry for something else.
How do I get into that ship on the tavern on the bridge place?
Oh, don't risk it, mate. The whole thing should be torn down.
It failed our fire inspection, but they bribed the governor.
At least he didn't let them build their original schooner on a pub on a volcano plan. They would have been a real death trap.
So, no secret handshake. That tavern sounds dangerous and exciting. Tell me more.
Whoa. Okay, Duke, relax.
Yeah, where's the fire?
But the place is risky. Highly flammable liquids, broken chimney, well, the inside's a fire trap.
What about dangerous women?
The place is crawling with them. And if those underbridge supports collapse, it's good night, Irene.
Oh, who be Irene? Can you introduce me?
No, I mean it'll be the end of the place.
But Irene won't die, right?
Damn it, Duke, I'm a barbecue chef, not a fortune teller. If I had to wager, I'd say the casualties will include minor cuts and contusions, sprains, and maybe a few cases of smoke inhalation. I'm just guessing.
'Twas a pleasure chewing the fat with you.
Aye, anytime.
Let's shut down that tavern. Shiver your timbers.
Keep this. Not enough. Okay, no.
Oh, this is not good. Get below decks!
Ladies, abandon ship!
Everyone all right?
My heart is pounding.
Whew, at least the band's still playing.
Me big chance.
Quite a fire.
Everyone's safe?
Oh, yeah. Hi. Is this love?
Shush. We're fine. We rescued ourselves. So how you doing?
This tavern's a lost cause.
Yeah, better let it burn out. Why don't you ladies join us for some barbecue?
I guess we could drop by.
For a few minutes.
Cursed be all gallant men. All the ladies went to the barbecue. All the ladies went to the barbecue. She's trying to avoid that creepy fire guy. Hope I don't smell too much like monkey.
Hey, Seaman. I'm talking to her.
Guys, please. This is a party.
This is our party. No pirates. Fight me!
Fight!
Let me get this straight. None of you witnessed anything, and no one wants to press charges?
Just a bit of roughhousing, Sheriff.
Mr. Grabowski, what happened here?
I'm defending the honor of an innocent maiden.
Please don't get me involved. I'll get kicked out of school.
Oh, never mind, Sheriff. I was thinking of a different fight. No comment, Sheriff.
Fine. Enjoy your party. Keep it down.
A heck of a fight, Duke.
Great workout. Pretty girl at a party. What am I supposed to say? Yar! I come in search of booty.
Just like that last guy.
I could get hooked on you. No, wait, that'd only work if me hands a hook.
Well, maybe later.
Arr, I'm here to bury me family jewels.
Yeah, in me treasure chest. Huh, I've heard it.
Aye, stupid line, stupid Duke. They're stupid! Maybe don't gonna talk!
Calm down, it's just a party.
No!
Duke, if you can't be
It's
cool.
very important. I can't words to explain. I'm okay. Sorry. Never mind. If only I had words to woo. Ahoy there!
Oh, don't argue, guys. We don't want the sheriff here again.
Can I punch him?
You'd be surprised how many people ask that. But no, he's under our protection.
It's so easy for him to be friendly. Hope me crew don't make him captain. Greetings.
Everything's fine. It's a party.
I like the piratey clothes women wear nowadays. Hope I get a fancy costume when I'm captain. Well, enough talk about fashion. I won't interrupt. I know love when I see it. Dancing. Another swashbuckling skill to learn someday. in me next adventure. Too late to overhear their icebreaker lines. Ask our crew to the barbecue.
Nay, we have to set sail before the Barcelona Navy discovers us. You don't want our dear Captain Amerigo to have died in vain.
More later.
Aye.
Oh, it needs a few hours to cook. We have to kill all the worms.
All the ladies went to the... Teach me to talk.
Like I said, if you... Psst, get my letter from the packet behind...
Never mind. Can I punch him?
Your blows would be put to better use tenderizing our fine cuts of cooking meat.
I don't have time for a second job. Can't touch unless she agrees. Or unless a massive tidal wave approaches and we grab hands and run for high ground.
What?
And she says, "But I hardly know you." And I look in her eyes and says,
Hi.
"Fear not, I'm a swashbuckler." Never mind. Ahoy there!
Oh, don't argue, guys. We don't want the sheriff here again.
Ahoy there!
Oh, don't argue.
What are you looking at, you great white whale?
Easy there, Proby. Ah!
What are you looking?
Easy there. Ah!
Can I punch
Your blows are...
I don't have time. I don't need it to scare me enemies. These groups be no threat to anyone. Shiny.
She's a beauty. Yeah.
Being a firefighter is heroic, but not strictly swashbuckling. Landlubbers eat well. Nay, I'd eat too much and nap the rest of the day. Which sounds nice, but 'tis not the swashbuckler's way. Party guests need it more. Girls here are really skinny. Nay, I get sweaty hands at parties. Greet.
Everything's fine.
Talk later. Word on the
I've poured a few.
people are.
That's what my.
You're swaying.
If it,
Captain Starlin got her hat. Did what I had to. Don't need it now. Bye. Good day. See ya.
Adieu.
No matter which entrance, we all end up at the same place. No pirate touches them. Hey, I need fresh breath for wooing.
it's fine. Just don't eat the bladder.